So I got this plumbing project here in a duplex, and I want to update. I got both units vacant, so while it's vacant, I want to take care of any of the plumbing maintenance ahead of time. So this is the first floor bath. This is the upstairs bath plumbing. So it took me a while to figure it out, but I'll show you guys what's going on and what I'm gonna do, and we'll do the before and after videos. So this is obviously the T that the kitchen is on the other side of this wall, and the kitchen for the upstairs is that. It's the same exact mirrored image up and down. So this T vents, it goes up here, all the way up, right there. So that's the vent. So if it's steel vent, that's fine with me. I don't care about the venting. It's just the drain lines. This I've had to snake quite a bit with tenants, and it's been a lot of problems. And then upstairs, they updated the drain somewhere to over there, and then it Fern goes into old steel again. So I figured out where everything is and what needs to be updated. Luckily, the tub drain has already been updated. This Fern goes over to the vent. So the two lines here, that's the vent there for the tub, which is steel, which is fine, don't care. And then it's mostly PVC updated until it Fern goes in right there. So this little branch line here, I want to replace that because I don't want to ever have to open up this ceiling again because that leaks through. So that little bit needs replaced. And then upstairs, I'll show you. And downstairs, I'll show you everything where I'm tracking. So you could see where that drain there for the upstairs, everything goes over that direction. While I'm up there also, I saw there's an updated Fern coat for the toilet. So there's a toilet here. You can see in the wall right there, the main stack goes up right there. You know, there's a toilet there. Well, it's already updated PVC Fern coat into the cast iron stack. That's done. So I'm not worried about that. I'm not removing any more of this ceiling. So anyway, I'll go upstairs now. So the upstairs, here's the kitchen, here's the bath, right? So there's another reason too. This is all Fern coat and all boogered up. Don't like it. So right here is the tub downstairs, or the tub right here, vent, which I'm actually surprised it's vented because it has an overflow. A lot of times you see them not vented. And then that is the vent for the downstairs kitchen and bath T like this. It just goes up like that and goes up the wall. It's right there. So the drain line goes that way and it Fern goes in. And I'll show you in the basement where that line goes all the way down to. So this is the second floor bath. So in the basement here, you can see there's a T off over here, a Y, and that is the drain. I don't have the flash on. Maybe I'll do a video to show a flash here in a second. Everything. So this is the drain line right here for the T that goes to the kitchen and bath for the first floor unit. That T right there is the old drain line for the tub. Found out it's capped. Where is it? Probably can't even see it. It's capped right there with a Fern coat cap, right? It was already updated. This is new PVC. They just dropped it lower, wired it in right here. Obviously, none of these are the right ones. They're not the code. I didn't do any of this. This is how I found it. So basically, to update the T for the upstairs, I just got to update from here up. I can delete that line and move it over out of the way. Basically, just have a 2 foot piece with a T, and then I'll Fern coat into the steel pipe drain, or the steel pipe vent above it, and it'll be vented good. Everything's fine. We're good. We're in good shape. So basically, this, like I said, the basement's right there. So we just got to cut this here, Fern coat it, and then PVC T down there, and couple it back into the PVC, and we're done here. That'll be super easy. And even this is easy because it's all PVC to somewhere about here. I look up here, This was already fern coat in right there at a 45-degree angle into the main stack. So technically, all the plumbing up there, other than that T right there upstairs, was good. So really, I just needed to fern coat update the T's, fern coat update the T's, and then replace this little piece, and then all the plumbing's updated. And so at last, we got all of that cut out, ready just to PVC it in. We'll have a fern coat on the top and then glue the fitting on the bottom, put the vanity back. Bathroom would be good upstairs here. And the basement, cut that out. So I just got a T back into here. And then we'll go upstairs. I'll show you what we got upstairs. Then so this downstairs, first floor bath, this is all cut out. So we'll fern coat here and then straight PVC down to the stack. Fern coat back into the stack. And then upstairs here, I cut out the little bit of steel that was left. And I will reconnect to the PVC that's right there. So that is all we need to do. And then the rest is just drywall. And then so the first tub drain all updated. Upstairs is done. Last connection to make is here to the stack and we're good.